Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today I will teach you how to take dimension. A lot of you people have asked me how you take dimensions. Let's say I want to draw radius 25. So normally what we do, we take rounder, we take scale and we mark 25. Normally 99% of the people, they try to do it from the top of the scale. In the sense, they will do it from the front side like this, and many a time the compass will slip because it is a sloping. What you need to do, you need to turn it this way. So if you see behind, there are marking, and where your rounder will fit properly, and then you can take dimension and you can draw required circle. See this. Again, I'll show you. From the front side, it will slip. When you try and do it, you won't be able to keep it straight. But if you do it backside, if you use backside of the scale, right, there will be proper slot, and actually those slots are given for rounder only. So you can keep it like this, see, it won't move, and you can take proper dimensions like this. So next time when you try and draw, use the backside of the scale. That will help you. Thank you.